Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content and leave your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Career tips: how to choose a career path after class or grade 12. Introduction. When choosing a career path, the first and foremost step is to find out your interest and skills. In this video, I will give you some pointers that you can consider which will be very helpful while deciding on your career path. Career options. As the academic year concludes, central and various state boards have declared the class or grade 12 results. Students in the science, commerce, and arts stream must be concerned about choosing the right career path. While JEE Main, Joint Entrance Examination, and NEET UG, the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test undergraduate, are two obvious choices for engineering and medical candidates. Others remain confused about what path, subject, and course to choose. Hence, let's look into various options one can consider. Identify your interest and skills. When choosing a career path, the first and foremost step is to find your interest and skills. Spend some time to consider what you enjoy doing and what you excel at. Tests for career assessments are also available and they can aid in determining your strengths and weaknesses. By being aware of your interests and skills, you can focus on your career options and select a profession that complements your strengths. If you are interested in traditional careers such as an engineer, doctor, or a business professional, pursuing a path in the same field is ideal. However, if you are a bird with a different colored feather and want to pursue a career in music or the arts or become an actor, you should choose a path that corresponds to your creative interest or a stream that allows you to do so. Research career options. Once you have identified your interest and skills, look into different career paths that complement them. Search for job responsibilities, descriptions, and necessary educational qualifications. To learn more about their experiences, you can also speak with industry experts. Choosing a career that matches your interest is great, but you should also consider the future opportunities that it provides. One of the most important questions you must attempt to answer is what career options or opportunities are available after the course. Look for opportunities for further research in the field as well. Job market prospects. When deciding on a career, it is essential to consider the job market. Choose a career in a field where there is a high demand for professionals and room for advancement. Investigate the salary range and job outlook for various careers to understand the earning potential and opportunities for advancement. Income. Another important factor to consider when choosing a career after high school is salary. Try to get practical experience. Get some real world experience in the area you want to pursue. You can gain valuable experience and gain a better understanding of what it's like to work in a particular field through internships, job shadowing, and volunteer work. Additionally, it can assist you in creating a network of experts who can mentor and support you as you advance your career. I hope you found this video helpful. As we wrap up, remember the journey doesn't end here. Explore more videos at Profound Insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.